Brothers and sisters, when you know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us in this life as a test in this world, then you will understand it greater. And when you understand that there is a hereafter, there is a judgment day, there is paradise, there is hellfire, and that this life is short, and that Allah will not let the oppressors go, then the picture will become clearer. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us guidance, and He has given us promises, and He has given us the clear statement of what He wants from us and what we're supposed to do for each other, and that He created a reward system and a punishment system. And He told us very clearly in the Quran right from the beginning that this life is a test, and that it is up to us to defend each other, to stand up for each other, to follow the guidance, to come together, to unite between each other, to speak out for each other, to voice for each other, to be there for one another, to build our lives and develop and build our strength together and prepare. For the leaders are from us, and the systems are because of us. And what we do is what the result will come out later.